2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.